In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a website in Framer. Let's jump right in. I'll assume you already have a project set up and your design is ready to go. You should be inside your Framer project, looking at your page or layout. When you're happy with how everything looks and behaves, you're ready to publish it so others can actually visit it in a browser. First, go to the upper right corner of the Framer interface. Here, you'll see a button labeled Publish. This is your main gateway from design to live website. Go ahead and click that Publish button. When you do, Framer will open a panel that shows options related to publishing your site, including where it will live on the internet. Inside this panel, you'll want to connect a domain so people can access your site with a proper web address. Look for the option that says Add Domain and click on it. This tells Framer that you either want to use a custom domain you own or you're ready to set one up through their system. If you're not sure what domain to use yet, it can help to start with something simple and descriptive, and you can change it later if needed. Now you'll see a field where you can type in your domain. Click into that field and carefully type the domain name you want to use, such as yourwebsite.com. Make sure you double check the spelling and that you're using the correct extension, like .com, .net, or another one you've purchased. If you already own this domain from a provider, you'll later need to follow their instructions to point it to Framer. But for now, just focus on entering it correctly here. Once you've typed in the domain, the next step is to verify that it's available and can be connected. To do that, look for the check button next to or below the domain field and click on it. Framer will quickly run a check to see if the domain is valid and can be used with your project. If everything looks good, you'll see confirmation and be able to proceed with publishing. If there's an issue, Framer will let you know so you can adjust